In this video, we'll quickly build this apparatus and point out some of the features that you may find handy. You can get the instructions for this build by going to the Automation Direct web store, click on Motion, Linear Motion, and select the Linear Slides category. Click on the Manuals tab, and this link will take you to the documents that show you how to repair the slides, and this document, which shows you how to build several common configurations for both the Value Series and the Compact Series slides. We're going to do this configuration for this video. The cool thing about this is everything you need comes with the parts, including all the mounting screws. Here we go. I'm going to use this 24-inch slide for the base. It comes with the screws and spacer plate you need to mount any Automation Direct NEMA 17 stepper motor. We're going to use this 1760 stepper motor in this example. On the vertical slide, we'll use a 1740 stepper motor. I didn't choose these motors for any particular reason other than I just happened to have them laying around. We'll use this mounting plate to attach the two slides together, and again, it comes with all the screws you need to attach the two slides. And of course, you would normally screw all of this to your table using these mounting holes and then mount whatever you want to move here. We'll just put an Automation Direct sticker there for our demo. Now we just connect that to our favorite stepper drive system, and we're good to go. Now for the record, I'm using these two stepper drives for this demo, one for each side. The reason for using these is they have an analog input. I then took a joystick out of a toy at home and wired it like this. And we're using this power supply to drive it all. These stepper drives get configured using the free SureStep software. The serial cable comes with the drive, and I use this USB to serial cable from Automation Direct since my computer doesn't have a serial port. We cover how to use the SureStep configuration software in detail in a separate video. But the main thing to note for this demo is we put the drive in this velocity mode to get it to respond to analog input, unselected this checkbox so it's always running, and put the speed in here. I want to use the joystick center to be the 0 velocity, so I click on the Advanced button and then click on Auto Offset. It tells me to make sure the joystick is centered, and then it uses that voltage it reads as the 0 velocity reference. Looks like it's just under 2.5 volts. Perfect. I'm using this motor, this drive, and hit download. I'm not worried about inertia for this demo. Again, we cover how to do that in the other video on this stepper motor drive. I already programmed the other drive, so now I just play with the joystick and watch the system respond. It's very responsive to the analog input from the joystick, and these Value Series slides feel super stable and smooth. When assembling these slides, be sure to use the recommended tightening torques shown in the build instructions to get the best possible results. These Value Series Linear Slide Actuators are available in 6, 12, 18, and 24 inches and two different screw pitches, a 0.2 and a 0.5. The 0.2 pitch moves the carriage 0.2 inches for each rotation of the lead screw, and the 0.5 moves it 0.5 inches per rotation. You can see the difference between the lead screws here. Specifying the load inertia, determining the stepper pulse rate, choosing the right stepper motor, etc. are all covered in the how-to videos where we show you how to use linear slides with a PLC. These Value Series linear slides are very capable. They can carry up to 110 pounds in the normal and transverse directions and can handle 50-inch pounds of roll and 32-inch pounds of pitch and yaw. Keep an eye on those numbers as you design your system. One of the cool things about these Value Series slides is they come with mounts for mounting these prox sensors and an adjustable metal tab so you can adjust when the proximity sensor activates. We didn't need them in this demo, but know that they are available for you to use and they're really easy to install. On the web store, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, it tells you which prox sensors are compatible with each slide. And finally, linear slides have moving parts which are going to wear out over time. So there is a repair kit replacing all the moving parts in these slides and a video that shows you step by step exactly how to do the retrofit. One side note, the stepper motor cables that we used in this demo are not rated for continuous duty flexing. So in a real application, make sure you secure those cables and connect them to cables that are rated for continuous duty flexing. If you need any help, please contact Automation Direct's free, award-winning tech support during regular business hours. They'll be happy to help. And don't forget the forums. There are lots of folks there that love to share their years of experience. Just don't post any questions directed at Automation Direct support team there. They don't monitor the forums on a regular basis.